Good afternoon. Today we're going to quickly install this brand new cabinet handle. I already installed one here and the hose are ready to actually put these on the cabinet. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our Phillips screwdriver. The reason why is because it has a cross type of traction to it, so the Phillips actually fits this one right here. If we use a flat head, the flat head could possibly be used as well, but I just want better traction, so I'm going to use the Phillips. So now we are going to align the screw through the back hole and the other screw right here through the back hole. Okay? And as you can see, it aligns with the two edges right here. Okay? So I'm going to put my Phillips screwdriver, put it right here, put some pressure on it. I use my foot a little bit so I can hold it still. And then I'm going to screw it in. Be patient because it takes a little bit of time. So that's in. Okay. And now I'm going to put in the other one as well. Let's make sure it's snug. There it is. It is done. Looks pretty good. Nice little addition to your cabinetry. Nice little flash, little bling to your cabinets. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.